Do you feel better now?
I do feel better.
Okay.
You're on camera, by the way.
This isn't the worst outfit. Hey guys, it's Saturday, December 11th, and we are about to head out on our 9-day Royal Caribbean cruise on Allure of the Seas. We're waiting for our Uber to come right now, and we're really excited. So we're just gonna take you guys along for the week and just see what we do.
Yeah, we'll see you guys there. Probably overpacked, but...
Yeah. It's our first cruise, so... I mean, it's my second cruise, but it's been a while.
This is my first cruise.
One, so...
So it'll be fun.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you guys there.
So we made it through security. We are up waiting in this room. We're not exactly sure what for yet because we're newbies, but hopefully we're gonna get on the ship soon. So we're excited.
There was a lot of security, a lot of long lines, but we made it on the boat. I mean, not the boat yet. We're waiting in the boat.
We're very close.
Very close.
Go up to the top deck.
Yes.
Around the top deck. Just a huge ship. It's gonna take us forever to explore it, I think. But what do you think so far, Levi?
This is really cool. It's my first time. So there's also a tugboat down, or like a life. What is that?
I don't know. Right there.
Yeah.
But look at this view, guys. It's beautiful today.
We're gonna go in the Windjammer because I'm really hungry already, even though we just got on. So we're gonna get a quick bite to eat.
I turn around and he's like 30 feet behind me taking the video.
So we're in the solarium, pretty cool place, just exploring, walking around, but just kind of taking in everything around us.
Central Park. I think there's some like animal sounds happening in the background.
Artificial.
We don't really know what that is. But we've been all over the ship already. We still have so much of it to explore, but we just came from the solarium and that was beautiful. And our stateroom is actually on the deck of Central Park. So we'll probably be out here a lot, especially in the morning. So we're really loving it so far. What do you think?
This is really cool. I mean, it's my first cruise, so these animal noises are like really distracting. It's funny though. This is a really cool spot though, the Central Park area. What are we doing right now?
We are eating burgers. I'm happy. I wasn't very hungry before when we first got on the boat, so it just hit me. Hey guys, so we're back to the room now. We came back here just to decompress a little bit and just to maybe unpack our stuff, maybe do a room tour, but the plan right now is we're going to unpack, chill out for a few minutes, and then we're gonna put our swimsuits on and head up to the pool deck before sail away. So feels like a pretty busy day so far. We've done a lot already, so it would be nice to kind of chill out by the pool. Oh, hey there.
So Sam's gonna give us a tour
Okay.
of the room.
All right, so right here we have our bathroom. It's about the size I expected it to be.
Yeah.
What did you think
It's
about it?
nice.
So we have
don't
a
mind it.
shower right here. It's kind of like a capsule.
Yeah, it's like a cylinder.
Yeah, and then the mirror. There's a lot of shelves on the side here for like Levi's toiletry bag is there right now, and I guess we'll probably put some other stuff in here. So
Yep.
that's pretty cool. Right here we just have some extra storage. I don't know what we're gonna put there yet. We need to unpack everything. Big mirror right here. So
Nice.
that's fun. We love mirrors. Right here we got a closet. So we haven't put anything in there yet, but lots of hangers it looks like. We got a safe, lots of shelves. We got a vanity right here, so looks like, ooh, that's nice. So probably do makeup right there. Lots of other shelves on this thing, so
Yeah, a lot of extra storage.
yeah, lots of
and
storage.
stuff like that. Yeah.
We'll put a lot of stuff away later, probably. TV. Got a sitting area right here.
It's actually pretty spacious. I'm actually kind of surprised. There's also a fridge.
So we got our ginger ale in there.
Yeah.
We found out we can bring like up to 12 cans of soda or 2 bottles of wine on the ship, so we decided to bring ginger ale. Got more drawers for storage. And then we have our bed over here. So it's pretty firm if you like firm mattresses. I think we're both the type of people that don't mind firm mattresses, but we heard that you can ask for a mattress pad if it's a little bit too firm for what you like. Part we were most excited about is the balcony. So let's see if I can start and this was a little bigger than what I was expecting. I think I thought it was going to be actually a smaller balcony.
Yep.
So we got a pretty good view.
Yep.
It's like an older Royal Caribbean ship right there.
There's an old Royal Caribbean ship right there. I think they're working on it.
And then, yeah, this is our balcony. And you could just follow me back inside and we'll just get the whole rest of the room from this way.
Yep. You can see it from here.
Bed. sitting area and bathroom, and that's the room tour.
Yeah, that's it.
Hey guys, so we just wanted to talk a little bit about the boarding process and how everything went for us getting on the ship today. We had to schedule the check-in time on the app a while before the cruise, and we had scheduled the earliest we could get, which was 10:30. And we got to the terminal at about 10 o'clock thinking that that was like plenty of time. And we got there and there was like a really big line already.
Yeah, it was a huge line.
Yeah, it was huge. The whole process probably took less than 45 minutes to get on board. So we had to show our COVID vaccine card a couple different times throughout the process. And then our sea passes on our phones we just had to have handy. We just got back from dinner. What did we get? We forgot to take pictures of everything. I think I took a picture of the menu. Levi got the crab cake as an appetizer and I got the Caesar salad. And then we both got prime rib as our entree, and I got, it was like a hazelnut chocolate cake as a dessert, and Levi got the cheesecake. But tomorrow we wake up in the Bahamas, and we're really excited about that, even though we don't really have a plan for the day yet.
Yeah, we're kind of just winging it.
Yeah, so we'll see how it goes, but we'll bring you guys along for as much of that as we can.